Today I will show you how to use the automatic color changer. It can alternate automatically between two colors. To work properly, you have to install the extension plate on the front bed. You also must have the trip cam that opens the jaws installed on the back bed. The trip cam for the small color changer has a similar shape, but it won't work with the big changer, so keep that in mind. When everything is installed, you can notice these black levers under the eyelets. By pressing one of them down, you are selecting the feeding eyelet that you want to pop up. You can choose a different eyelet by pressing another one of the levers down, and when you slide the lock to the color changer, the machine will pick up that eyelet. If the color changer is installed correctly and everything is well adjusted, it should work like this. As you can see, I don't need to hit the color changer hard to take another eyelet. Now let's leave the eyelet in the color changer. If you want to disable the color changer, there is a metal part on the underside that you have to press. Now you can see it up close. The metal part you have to press is just behind the black levers. You can easily feel it when the color changer is installed because it is the only thing you can press. All black levers will pop up, and when you slide the lock to the color changer, nothing will happen. To enable the color changer again, just press one of the black levers. Pull the eyelet holder down and press the metal part to disable the color changer. Now you can knit using all needles on the machine without being concerned about accidentally changing the color or leaving the eyelet in the changer. To re-enable the color changer, press the black lever under the eyelet that is in the jaws. Then pull the metal lever until the eyelet holder pops up. Now you can continue using the color changer. To make the color changer automatically alternate between two eyelets, press two of the black levers simultaneously, then pull the metal lever once or twice until both eyelets pop up. Press the eyelet that you want to use first down and pull the metal lever once. Then press the second eyelet down, and when you slide the lock to the color changer, the first eyelet should pop up. Next time when the lock goes in the color changer, the second eyelet will pop up. Your support means a lot, so I would appreciate if you take a minute to like the video and leave me a comment below. At any time you can press another one of the black levers and select another eyelet. That's all I had for today. Have a nice day and see you next time.